Imagine a small grocery shop in Korea, selling rice and dried fish. Nobody could believe that one day, from this little shop, a global giant of technology would be born. But this is the story of Samsung, a company that teaches us how even the smallest beginning can grow into something the whole world respects. And as you listen, remember this: just like Samsung's journey, your English journey may begin small, but it can rise higher than you imagine. The story begins in 1938. Korea was a very poor country, full of challenges, and life was not easy. In a small town, a young man named Lee Byung-jul opened a little trading shop. He sold simple goods: dried fish, noodles, and basic groceries. He gave the shop a name: Samsung. In Korean, Samsung means 3 stars. Stars represent eternity and greatness. Even though he had very little, he carried a vision that one day his company could shine bright like the stars in the sky. At first, there was nothing special about this shop. It was not known outside the town. It was small, fragile, and limited. But inside that little shop was determination, persistence, and a dream that would not die. Think about this, my friend. Maybe today your English feels like that small shop. Maybe you only know a few words, a few sentences. Maybe you feel weak compared to others. But remember this truth: small beginnings are not the end. They are the first brick in building something great. The early years of Samsung were filled with difficulty. Korea faced wars, poverty, and uncertainty. Many people would have given up. Many people would have said, "This is too hard." But Lee Byung-jul did not stop. He kept building, step by step. He expanded the business into other areas, like textiles and insurance. Slowly, Samsung became bigger, but still, it was not known outside Korea. The big change came later, in the 1960s, when Samsung decided to enter electronics. At first, it made black and white televisions. These televisions were not the best in the world. In fact, compared to American or Japanese products at that time, they looked weak. But they were a beginning. From televisions, Samsung moved into refrigerators, washing machines, and microwaves. Korean families began to trust the brand. Little by little, Samsung was growing stronger. But the journey was not smooth. Many of Samsung's early products failed. Some projects lost money. Sometimes, people laughed at Samsung, saying it could never compete with global giants. But here is the secret that made the difference. Samsung did not let failure stop it. Instead, it used every failure as a lesson. It asked, "How can we do better? How can we improve?" And step by step, mistake by mistake, the company rose. This is the same for you and your English. You will make mistakes. You will say words incorrectly. You will forget grammar rules. Some people might laugh. But remember, every mistake is a teacher. Every error is not the end, but the beginning of learning. Just as Samsung improved its televisions, refrigerators, and phones, you can improve your English sentences, your pronunciation, and your confidence. The real turning point for Samsung came in the 1990s. The founder's son Lee Kun-hee had taken leadership of the company. That time, Samsung was still seen as a cheap brand, not respected globally, but Lee Kun-hee wanted change. He wanted Samsung to be not just big, but excellent. He told his employees a very famous sentence: "Change everything, except your wife and children." It was a strong message. He wanted the company to completely transform, to focus on quality, to innovate, to become a leader. And Samsung did. It invested billions into research. It hired some of the best engineers in the world. It worked on design, on performance, on making products that could stand beside the best brands on earth. The result? Samsung began to rise in electronics, not only in Korea, but across the globe. By the early 2000s, Samsung became one of the biggest producers of semiconductors. The tiny chips that power computers, phones, and almost all modern technology. Its televisions became world leaders. Its Galaxy smartphones began to compete directly with Apple's iPhone. Suddenly, Samsung was no longer seen as just a local brand. It was a global giant, a symbol of technology, innovation, and progress. Think about this. Transformation. From selling dried fish in a small shop to producing the chips that run the world's technology. From black and white TVs to smartphones in the hands of billions. That is the power of persistence, vision, and never giving up. And here, my friend, is where the story connects deeply with you. Because you too are on a journey. Maybe your English now feels small. Maybe your voice feels weak. Maybe your sentences are simple. But if you keep going, if you keep learning, if you keep improving, you can become powerful in English. You can express yourself. You can connect with the world. Do not fear mistakes. Samsung failed many times, but each failure became a step toward greatness. Do not fear being small. Samsung started smaller than anyone could imagine. Do not fear the long journey. English, like Samsung's growth, takes time. But time plus persistence creates greatness. Today, Samsung is not just a company. It is one of the strongest brands on earth. It leads in smartphones, televisions, and semiconductors. It represents the rise of South Korea, from a poor country to a global leader in technology. And it all began with one man, one vision, and one little shop. So what does this mean for you? It means your English story is just beginning. It means your small words today can become fluent speech tomorrow. It means your mistakes today can become your power tomorrow. When you sit down to practice English, remember Samsung. When you feel weak, remember the little shop in 1938. When you fail, remember the failed products that became lessons. When you feel small, remember the 3 stars that shine forever. Samsung teaches us that no beginning is too small to become great. And your English journey teaches the same. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep believing. Step by step, mistake by mistake, day by day, you are building something powerful. And one day, your English will shine bright, just like Samsung shines across the world.